How often do you think about your pulse jet dust collector? Are your diaphragm valves cleaning as effectively as they used to? Do you find yourself asking, is there a better way? Hi, I'm Anthony, pulse valve specialist with Mac Valves. A decade ago, we set out to determine if what we were good at, if a technology completely unique to Mac, was a viable alternative to the incumbent diaphragm pulse valve technology. We tested hundreds of valves in heat, in cold, and on 2 continents for over 10 years. What did we find? Mac's bonded spool pulse valve is capable of a cycle life 10 times greater than a diaphragm, virtually eliminating leaks and unscheduled downtime events. More than reliability, it is the performance of a Mac pulse valve that sets it apart. Mac customers typically find they can manage differential pressure with 25 to 75% fewer pulses, resulting in substantial compressed air savings, extended filter life, and a payback as short as 6 months. Around the world, in virtually every industry, Mac bonded spool pulse valves are helping organizations achieve sustainability goals, optimize processes, and reduce downtime, allowing them to redirect human and capital resources in ways that contribute to the bottom line. We invite you to see for yourself. Click the links in the description to learn more or to receive a representative.